One.
Alright, so first of all, you're going to fill your bucket up with water. Alright, so pump goes in. 6 on the bottom. Hook your tube on top of the pump. Push it all the way down. Then we're going to put tube through this.
Through the smaller hole.
Yep. Put it all the way through for right now. And then the cord for the pump to the bigger hole. And then we can place it on top. And then you just thread them.
And then make sure you have the slack pulled so you can get to the top.
Next question.
All the way around. And then up to here. Plug it in right there, just like that. Plant food and just follow the directions. How much water we have in here is a full thing of the plant food. The cap.
You'll
Put that in the water.
and put that in.
And then you're gonna get your light. Clip it here. And then spread your lights out so the plants get all the light. And then you'll have to plug in your pump and your lights. To plant the seed, you will place the seed inside of the black sponge, and then place a black sponge inside of the plastic, and then the plastic will go into the stand. After just 5 days, this is what our plant looks like.